Hi friends and welcome back to our YouTube channel How To Videos, and today we'll learn how to use WhatsApp for Business with all the latest updates of 2020. So let's begin. You can download the app from any of the App Store or Play Store for your Android and iOS devices. So once you're there in the App Store or Play Store, you just need to enter the name of the app, and you can identify this app with the B symbol. So once this app is downloaded, you need to register with the mobile number that you want to use for your business communications, followed by an OTP. Once you enter the number and OTP, you're registered and you are in the business profile. Now you can update this profile by adding a profile picture or your brand logo along with the business name and the category. So we are adding our business name, which is How To Videos. And now we are adding a category to it. So currently we are selecting other. In show more details, you'll get to write a description. So we are writing a small description, which is online video content creator. You can also add an address. The rest of the interface is exactly similar to your regular WhatsApp. Now just quickly get into the settings. In the settings, you will find business setting additional to all the other settings that you get in your regular WhatsApp. In business settings, you'll get all your business tools. First one being your business profile that we have already updated with the basic information. You can go ahead and add more information to it. You can add your email ID, your website URL, and your business hours. So here we are adding a sample email address just to update the profile. And then we are updating our business hours. You can select the days that you are open and the time. Moving next, we are also updating a sample website URL just to update the profile. Once this is updated, you can save this information. Moving next, let's see what all other tools that we have with us. First one being the catalog. It's a showcase of your product and services wherein you can add the pictures, the prices, and a small description of your product and services that you want to showcase. You can always add new products to it and you can share it with your customers. Then we have statistics to know the data, that how many people are interacting with you or your business. So you'll get a report on sent messages, delivered messages, read and received messages. Moving next, we have short links. These are the easy chat invitation that you can share across with your potential customers or your other customers. So you can invite them by sharing a link. So you can write a small message of your own. Here we are writing, "Hi, you can chat with us now." And you can generate a tiny URL for the same and share the same with your customers. Moving next, we have messaging tools for professional responses. First one being the way messages. You can turn on these settings and you can share the messages when you're not around. So these are the default messages that you can send once you're unavailable. Then we have greeting messages. If a new customer tries to interact with you or send you a message, you can greet them by welcoming them with a small message. So you can write your own customized message. Moving next, we have quick replies. When we have generic queries, we have generic responses. So you can write down all the responses, identifying the keywords associated with the kind of queries that you get. It will save you a lot of time in typing. Moving next, we have another tool which is Label, which is not available in business settings for Android users. In Labels, you can get labels in your interaction settings at the top right corner, and you can categorize your interactions on the basis of the current status. So if it's a new customer, you can tag it in new customer label, or you can create your own label. So that's all from our end. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.